In this video, I'm about to show you how you can find and use the transaction ID of a transaction on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So the process I'm going to show you works for any crypto and it works for withdrawals or deposits as well. So all you need to do is go to the transaction you want to find. For this, we can go to activity. Then right here you should see the transaction history. In my case, I have this deposit transaction of Litecoin, so we can click right there, and here you will find the on-chain transaction ID. So when making crypto payments, a lot of people will probably ask you for this ID, so they can search for it on the blockchain explorer to check that everything has worked fine. Taking count that this is the blockchain transaction ID, this is the transaction ID inside Kraken, so you won't need this. It's important that you copy this. And if you want to use it to check more details about the transaction, you can go to Litecoin Space or any other Litecoin blockchain explorer and paste in the transaction right here. As you can see, it will detect that this is a Litecoin transaction, and we can go to this specific transaction to see a lot more details. For example, this is a transaction of 40 minutes ago. We can see the fee. This is also a very important thing to see that it has, in this case, 23 confirmations. This means that the transaction has been confirmed and the receiver has got the money already. So that's it. That's how you can find and use the transaction ID of a crypto transaction on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.